Imagine missions that not only work hard but think smart. Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in mechanical engineering. Hello everyone, welcome to HistEduHub, your go-to channel for exploring exciting topics in history, education and engineering. I'm Hari and today we are diving into how artificial intelligence or AI is revolutionizing mechanical engineering. From design and manufacturing to maintenance and beyond, we'll explore the incredible impact of AI on this field. Now let's get started. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn. These systems can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence such as decision making, problem solving and pattern recognition. In mechanical engineering, AI is used to enhance processes, optimize design and predict outcomes. It's transforming the way engineers approach a problem and develop solutions. Did you know that AI can analyze vast amount of data much faster and more accurately than humans, helping the engineers make better decisions? One of the most significant impact of AI in mechanical engineering is design and simulation. AI-powered tools can help engineers create more efficient and innovative designs. Generative design, for instance, uses AI algorithm to generate multiple design alternatives based on a specific constraint and requirement. Engineers can then select one of the best design from these options. Additionally, AI-driven simulations can predict the performance of a design under various conditions, reducing the need for physical prototype and accelerating development process. Did you know that companies like Autodesk and Siemens do the same? AI is also transforming manufacturing processes. Smart factories use AI to improve efficiency, quality and safety. Predictive maintenance is a key application. AI systems analyze data from the machinery to predict when a component might fail, allowing for timely maintenance and preventing costly downtime. AI can also optimize production schedules, manage supply chains and ensure consistent quality control by identifying defects in real time. So how much optimization does this provide? AI-driven predictive maintenance can reduce the maintenance cost by up to 30% and decrease the breakdown by 70%. Robotics and automations are where AI shines the brightest. AI enables robots to perform complex tasks with high precision and adaptability. Collaborative robots or cobots work alongside humans, assisting with tasks that require both human dexterity and robotic precision. AI helps these robots learn from their environment and improve their performance over time. AI is also crucial in autonomous systems such as self-driving vehicles and drones, which rely on AI to navigate and perform tasks autonomously. Want to know interesting news? The global market for AI in robotics is expected to reach 22.6 billion by 2026, driven by the advancements in machine learning and sensor technology. Beyond manufacturing, AI is making a significant impact in maintenance and operation in mechanical engineering. AI-powered systems can monitor the health of machinery in real time, predicting failures and suggesting optimal maintenance schedules. This reduces downtime and extends the life of an equipment. Moreover, AI helps in optimizing energy consumption, ensuring efficient use of resources and reducing operational costs. Did you know that AI in maintenance and operation can lead to a 10 to 40% reduction in maintenance costs and 20 to 50% reduction in unplanned outages? The future of AI in mechanical engineering is incredibly promising. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications. From advanced robotics and autonomous systems to smart materials and energy efficient processes, AI will continue to drive the evolution of mechanical engineering. Engineers of the future will need to be proficient in AI technologies to stay competitive and lead the way in innovation. So what do you think? After knowing that AI is expected to contribute 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030 with a significant impact on engineering and manufacturing, share your thoughts in the comment section. Artificial intelligence is transforming mechanical engineers in many ways we can only imagine few years ago. From design and manufacturing to maintenance and beyond, AI is making processes smarter, efficient and more innovative. If you're excited about the future of engineering, now is the perfect time to dive into AI. And don't forget to subscribe to HistEduHub for more insightful content on history, education and engineering. If you found this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And that's all for today's news. See you next time.